welcome back to another video, guys. So I know I've just recently done a video on a new flexi hand that I got from AliExpress. It was the 4-finger one. Oh, what's that? Oh, that was a little blister. Did you see that? That was a little blister. It just popped and hit me in the face. I just recently did, I got a new flexi hand. I keep saying flexi hand. It's not a flexi hand. It's a practice hand. Silicone practice hand from AliExpress. I've already got the 5-finger one from AliExpress. And I got the 4-finger one from AliExpress. And I love my little AliExpress hands. I love them. They're so dainty and petite. And they are the same size nail tips as my hands. I love them. Anyway, another YouTuber called Nails with Gigi, I just watched her do a video on another new upgraded version that they've done on AliExpress. This is completely different. It's a completely different mould. It's a different size. The detail on it is crazy. It looks real. And I had to have it, even though I've literally just got myself another one. I had to have this. So, shall we have a look at it? So, yeah, this is their latest version. The only downfall, I say it's a downfall, my other two that I've got are pausable. But do you know something? I've never paused them. I have them like that permanently. So, yeah, not being pausable is not an issue for me. I don't use the pausable parts of my other hand. Right, so anyway, this is what it came in. Sorry if you can hear cars, I've got my window open. So it come in this purple little posh bag. So this is it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Let's have a look. I can't get it out. Oh my gosh. I can feel already. It is solid. Look at that, guys. Look at the detail. Oh my gosh. I mean, come on. Look at that. I need to wash it because it's still got that greasy kind of layer on. I should have washed it, but oh well, done it now. Look at that, guys. Wow. Makes my hands look so pale. My lighting's all off today because I've not got a bulb for my room that I'm in yet. My bulb went yesterday and yeah. So anyway, this is it. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look how thick that nail bed is. Not nail bed. Like this skin here is what I always look at. And it is solid. Like, I can't squeeze that. It is solid. Wow, I'm so impressed. Right, anyway. This is what it comes with. It comes with some of these little little square tips like this. And I used to use these to act, I don't even know if that's the same size. I used to use these to act as a fake natural nail bed. I used to put them in backwards, actually. That's the wrong size, it's too big. But I don't like them as a fake natural nail bed. They're a horrible shape. What I use is, I use these little, they're like little ballerina tips. Dirt cheap. You can get them on AliExpress. I get mine off Amazon. And I much prefer these. Again, I put these in backwards. And I just feel like you get a much better, more natural, you know, fake nail shape. Yeah. So let me put these in. I've not really got the right sizes out. But it's just to give you an idea. I don't use the thumb and I won't use the thumb on that. But I just think these tips, they just give it more of a natural... Oh, look at the hairs on it already. So if you want to attach nail tips to that now, you can glue them on. Or you can attach paper forms. Yeah, the only thing I'm not too sure about with this hand... Frog in my throat. I don't know if you can see this middle finger. Can you see it points inwards slightly like that? I don't mean like that. I mean slightly twisted, only ever so slightly. But yeah, I like it. I'm so impressed. I love it. Look at the detail. They've only got this in one colour at the minute as well. And another thing I'm not happy about, they've only got it in the right hand. Every hand I've ever got, I have got in a left hand. My fingers that I've got from Flexi Finger are left. My other two practice hands are left hands. He's only got this in right hands at the minute. So I'm going to have to get used to working on it like that. I won't be using the thumb, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. I love it. I'm so impressed. Anyway, quickly. This is a stand that it comes with. It's a really good stand. This is actually exactly the same stand as the stand I have got for my flexi hand from Flexi Finger. It's the same stand. I use a resin. I've got a resin palette that I use and I stick it on. So let's get all this undone and I can I can show you how it works. So the hand screws into this, obviously. Oh, this is going to be hard work because I've not got it on a stand. Right, can you see? I'm just going to screw it into that. Right, I've screwed it on. So that's it on the stand. Oh, sugar. So you would have that stuck down because the hand's quite a heavy one. It would just fall over. Actually, that is staying stood up all by itself. It is. That's staying stood up all by itself. I'm quite impressed, actually. My other hand falls over. Yeah, that once that bottom is stuck down, it won't fall over anyway, but that's not stuck down and it is staying up by itself. Yeah, that's quite sturdy, actually. It is. So yeah, that's the stand that it comes on. It's got like a little ball thing there, so you can twist it and turn it as you're using it. You know, like if you're doing detailed work and you need it slightly to the side, you can twist it, look, and put it up, put it down. Yeah, I like it. I'm so impressed with this. I said this though when I first got that first hand off them a few months ago. I said they're going to keep tweaking it and tweaking it till they get it better and better, and they have. This is, yeah, this is perfect. Just that middle finger does point in slightly, but yeah, I do like it, and the colour's not too bad as well. This is the only colour they've got. It's a bit too tanned for me, but yeah, I like it. I do. I really, really like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Do you like it? Or do you prefer my other hand? I like it, I do. I think I've covered everything. I don't think there's anything else I could cover. I will leave links below to this one. Like I said, he's only got it in a right hand and this colour. And it's not pausable. But yeah, I'll leave the link below if you want to check it out. I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, that's it, guys. I've got another new hand and I've still not gave any of my old ones a name. I need to start naming them, don't I? I didn't put any tips or anything in it, did I? To see what it looks like. I don't think I've got any ready. Let's have a look what I've got. No, I haven't got any tips that I could put in it, but yeah, I don't need to. You can see it, can't you? So yeah, oh, and this is, it does come off. It's, look, so you don't have to have it on the stand, but I think you'd need it on a stand, because my other hand that I got from Flexi Finger, the one where it's just the fingers, I don't like it on the stand because it's hard to get on and off to put in my lamp. So I have my other hand resting on this, and I'm just thinking, would I be able to rest that on there as well? Because I'm so funny with these stands. Yeah, I don't think I'd be able to get away with this one just resting. But I am sure I will work something out. But I'm really happy with it, I am. I'm really happy with it. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. If I did miss anything out and you want to know, as usual, just ask me. Other than that, yeah, I will leave the link below. I've probably said that about 10 times now, haven't I? But yeah, I'm going. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Hopefully, I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.